Under the scorching May sun of Florida, 10 minutes inside a vehicle with the engine off is an absolute death trap. I want you to step into the role of a lead investigator for a moment. This is not just a rescue mission. It is a psychological battlefield. Watch every reaction and every word exchanged between these individuals. What is the body language telling you? What do you see that the average viewer is missing? Drop your analysis in the comments right now, and let us see if our thoughts on this case align at the end of this video.
Sheriff's Office, did y'all call? Is the car running?
Shut up. Shut up.
Whose car is it?
It's mine.
All right. But it's not on?
No.
All right. G14 flag. The vehicle is not running. They locked the keys in the car. How far out is FD? I'm about to smash the window here in a second if FD's not close. How long has she been in there?
For about 10 minutes.
Alright, I'm gonna smash the window then.
No.
I have to because she's been stuck in there. I don't know how far FD's out. She's been in there for 10 minutes.
You don't have a...
No, I don't have that. Yeah. G14 flag. We're gonna have to shatter the window.
It's locked.
You done these before? Huh? Done these before?
What is that?
All right.
You're okay with us breaking out the window?
Yeah, maybe the back.
G14 flag. Keep FD en route just to assess the child. We got him out.
Now that the rescue is over, let us look at the details like a professional. You heard the mother tell the man to shut up 3 times.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
This is a simple case of shifting the blame. By getting angry at the person who made the mistake, she is trying to hide her own panic. It is much easier to yell at someone else than to face the scary reality of the situation. Next, let us look at the moment she said no to breaking the window.
Alright, I'm gonna smash the window then.
No.
I have to because she's been stuck in there.
It might seem like she cared more about the car than her child, but this is a common brain glitch called normalcy bias. Her mind was stuck on the cost of the repair because it could not accept that her daughter was in a life or death situation. It shows how the mind can fail us when we need it most. Finally, notice the tactics used by the officer. He used a specialized ceramic ball to break the window furthest from the baby. This ensured that the glass did not fly toward the child and cause more injuries. It proves that staying calm and thinking clearly is the most important skill in any crisis. Remember that interior temperatures can rise 20 degrees in only 10 minutes. This situation ended well, but if it has a heartbeat, do not leave it in a parked car. If you enjoy this type of professional analysis, please subscribe to Blue Line Raw to see more. Thank you for watching and for sharing your thoughts in the comments. Stay safe out there and have a wonderful day.